I am Tiffany Jane V. Ignacio, and this video is not just about who am I, but who I was before and who am I becoming now. So, who am I before pagdating sa digital self?
Dati, palishare talaga ako online. Mga memes, pictures, kahit anong makita ko, isishare ko yan agad. Hindi ko iniisip kung tama pa ba, appropriate kaya to, worth it ba to, or kahihiya ko kaya to after 3 years. Basta funny and relatable, isishare ko na yan.
Who I am becoming now pagdating sa digital self.
After understanding my digital self, ang dami kong realization. Hindi pala lahat pwede i-post and dapat i-post. Ngayon, bago ako mag-share, in-interview ko muna yung sarili ko kung worth it ba to? May ma-offend ba ako? Or okay kaya to? Mas tahimik na ako online, pero mas mapayapa.
Who am I pagdating sa stress?
Academic pressure ang pinaka-source ko nun. Schoolworks, deadlines, requirements, parang walang katapusan. Dati, ang stress management ko, kain, gala, o kaya tara shopping. And oo, effective siya. For 5 minutes nga lang.
Who am I becoming now?
Ngayon, mas aware na ako. Natututunan ko na hindi talaga basta-basta nawawala ang stress. Pero pwede natin siyang i-manage. Ngayon, natutunan ko na pwede naman palang magpahinga ng walang guilt. Hindi ko naman pala kailangan maging productive 24/7. And hindi rin naman ako robot. And okay lang naman pala tumahimik kahit minsan. Doon, mas makakahanap ako ng peace and makakapag-recharge ako.
Now, punta naman tayo sa spiritual self. Alamin naman natin kung ano nga ba yung relationship ko with God before.
Before, my relationship with God was shallow. I believed in Him, yes, but honestly, it felt distant. I was still too young, too busy growing up, too distracted by life. Parang stagnant water. Nandoon, pero hindi gumagalaw. I prayed sometimes, but more out of habit than connection.
Ngayon, alamin naman natin kung ano na yung lagay ng relationship ko with God.
Now, everything feels different. As I grow, I find myself drawing closer to God, not because I was told to, but because I want to. And surprisingly, it feels light, it feels joyful, it feels fulfilling. I realized that faith isn't about perfection, it's about relationship. Now, my faith is no longer stagnant, it's flowing. And in that flow, I find peace, strength, and purpose.
Alamin naman natin ngayon kung ano ko before pagdating sa pagpaplano ng aking future.
Dati, hindi talaga ako mahilig magplan ng future. Lagi kong sinasabi, hindi ko naman masasabi yung future ko eh. Parang go with the flow lang ako palagi. O kaya, bahala na si Lord or bahala na rin ng universe. Pero ngayon, nagbago na yung mindset ko. Dahil sa mga nararanasan ko ngayon, na-realize ko na hindi pala pwedeng go with the flow ka lang palagi. Kailangan mo palang may direction. Hindi pwedeng bahala na. Hindi ganun. Ngayon, mas gusto ko nang magplano kahit konti lang, hindi para kontrolin ang future, kundi para hindi ako lost sa present.